Park. Okay? You know, see no parking for here, no parking for there. You can't park for here. Eh? You don't see car park for here, you don't feel enter. Then they park for road. Come down. Come down.
Oh, Fifi.
Eh? Eh? Keep your drinking. Which one be Gugu? Now Gugu I can't do for you. You not fit talk if you don't come my name. Call the officer, come out, go straight to the point. Answer me because you see say you don't back in the other. You not say offense, but you show me if you kill like this. Eh? No worry. I don't want If not, you'll go my office and you go for there. Give me. Person like you won't give you motor. I take a driver's license. How you take a driver's license? Person like you now, I know say your name for driver's license will be They can't give you the enter road. If they say you receive corner for road, they drive. You know how many people your key? Eh? Come on, you need deliverance, so just find me. That's all. Officer, I well done. We'll see you later. You see, you can follow them. If I call them, you can follow them. Go. You don't do. You come. You got it. Okay, you sit down for there. Come. Wait. You wait. Make I talk to this one. Let me say, guy, open your door. You don't do. Don't do. I don't hear. Wait. Hey, Mr. Man. Wait. Mr. Man, so you know say your friend they get spiritual problems to communicate. Now you don't come and help and interpret this, Abi. You the farm rude boy, Abi. You don't know me for this island. Officer, tell us to the follow talk. Don't try me. Calm down. You don't hear what? See, calm down. You know what's happening? What man I don't do? What do you want? You did, Chris? Go back here. Go back. Yeah, go back. This is our friend condition. You won't smash your home. You know what's happening? Wait. Yeah, you know what's people on the go. They go. They go. Back. This guy while I do this one. This guy after went back to the bank again. Now you find the camera. Okay. Thank you.